Okay, so for today, we are going to do a time management quiz. Managing a schedule is not easy. Appointments, assignments, practice tests, and more must be taken into consideration. Often, students do not write their assignments or extracurricular activities down. Instead, they rely on memory, which doesn't always work out very well. Take this quiz to see where you fall in your time management skills. Make sure you you're going to write your answers to the questions on a sheet of paper by using A, B, C, and D. You're going to rate yourself on your time management skills with 1 being terrible and 10 being awesome. So that's the first thing you're going to do. So how do you think you are? A 1, which is terrible, a 5, which is average, or a 10, which is awesome, and then anything in between. Managing, okay, so then it just says, today, number 1, today is Monday. You have a big test Thursday. When do you study for the test? A, you don't study at all. B, you study in the class period before test. C, you study the night before the test. Or D, you study a few minutes today, Tuesday and Wednesday night. You're going to answer that. So if it's an A, you're going to write down on a piece of paper, number 1, A. Number 2, you're going to read that and answer the question. Okay, you're going to do 4, 5, and 6 also the same way. Then, after you're finished, you need to tally your score. Give yourself 0 points for each A, 1 point for B, 2 for C, and 3 for D. Now, when I say that, I want you to do this before you do this. It's not, this is a self-quiz. This isn't, if you do this assignment, you get points. If you don't do it, you get 0. So this is for you, just a survey, a self-survey to see where you stand. Okay, so I put for number 1, I put an A. So I'm going to give myself 0 points. I'm going to do that all the way down. Then here's the results, and here's what they say. Then in the text entry below, reflect on the score and tell me how you could do better or how well you're currently doing with time management. Give me details. So if I'm a 0 to 4, it says, seriously, you actually found the time to read the results? So what I would say is, my score was 0 to 4. How I can do better is I could start writing my things to do down, looking at it, and actually doing it. Right now, I currently go home from school and I do not do anything. I just sit and play my games. So maybe I could take out my games and get for an hour and add homework in there for that hour. Do you see how I'm doing it? I said what my score was, how I can make it better, and what I need to do in my life to turn it around. And I would go on for about 3 or 4 more sentences. That's going to be given in a text box entry. Do not email it to me. Text it to me. Okay, and this is your Friday assignment. Have a good rest of your weekend, and I will see you Monday.